Now we are going to do the airbender from our Paper Planes Origami Kit. So we take this purple airbender paper, which looks like this, and we're going to make sure that the word top is facing upwards. Next, we're going to fold it in half along the diagonal and the vertical, like this. And you can use a ruler to help you crease. Open it back up and do the same from left to right. And open it back up. Next, we're going to fold along this dotted line so that this edge meets the middle crease that we just made. We're going to turn the whole thing over to the other side, and we're going to fold along these two dotted lines here so that this bottom edge meets in the middle. And we're going to do the same on the other side and bring that bottom edge so that it meets the middle crease. Next, we're going to give a fold along this dotted line so that these inner edges meet this bottom dotted line here. So we're going to fold it down, crease it, and do the same on the other side. Fold it down, crease it, and open them back up. Next, we're going to insert our fingers inside this pocket, and we're going to fold along that dotted line right there, and then as we do so, a triangle shape will come out, and you just have to fold that down and squash that down. So the same on the other side. We are going to insert our finger inside the pocket and fold along this dotted line here and just fold down that triangle shape. Next, we're going to fold along these two dotted lines so that this edge meets the middle. So we're going to fold it upwards like this and flatten. And we're going to do the same on the other side. We're going to fold along that dotted line so that the bottom edge meets the middle. Next, we're going to fold along this dotted line so the tip goes upwards. So folding along that dotted line, we fold upwards and flatten. And then now we're going to fold the entire piece in half backwards. So like this, we're going to fold it in half backwards. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees like this. And then we're going to fold along this dotted line so that this edge meets the bottom. So folding along that dotted line so that we have our top edge meeting the bottom edge like this. Flip it to the other side and do the same thing. So folding along that dotted line so that this edge meets the bottom edge. And once you open it back up, your airbender is ready to fly.